Learn 7 idioms to boost your English fluency. Want to speak English like a native? Idioms are the key. In this video, you'll learn 7 powerful idioms that will make your English sound more fluent and natural. Idioms are the secret ingredient to mastering English fluency. They're expressions that don't mean exactly what the words say but are commonly used by native speakers. Let's dive in and unlock their meanings together. Idiom 1. Break the ice. This means to start a conversation in a social setting or make people feel comfortable. Example: he told a joke to break the ice at the meeting. Idiom 2. Hit the nail on the head. This means to describe something exactly or do something perfectly. Example 1. Your answer hit the nail on the head. Idiom 3. Under the weather. This means feeling sick or unwell. Example: I'm staying home today because I'm feeling under the weather. Idiom 4. Cost an arm and a leg. It means something very expensive. Example: that new phone cost an arm and a leg. Idiom 5. Bite the bullet. It means face a difficult situation bravely. Example: he bit the bullet and told his boss the truth about the mistake. Idiom 6. Let the cat out of the bag means reveal a secret by accident. Example: don't let the cat out of the bag until the big announcement. Idiom 7. The ball is in your court. It's your decision to make. Example: I've done my part, now the ball is in your court. Now it's your turn. Try using these idioms in sentences or conversations. Here's a quick exercise. I couldn't attend the party because I was... Hint, feeling sick. That's it. You've learned 7 amazing idioms to boost your English fluency. Which idiom was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Master English today, and turn on notifications for more quick and practical lessons. Master English, transform your life.